Today we're gonna make lamb sliders. To get started on making our lamb burgers, we have to first start with our patties. So we have 1 pound of ground lamb here, and we're gonna season it with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of oregano, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Now, take off my rings because I'm gonna use my hands for this. So we're gonna mix this together. And now we're gonna make them into patties. So I'm making about 4 of these. So first I'm gonna even the meat. Make this into 4 patties even. That looks about right there. So now we can form them. This would be perfect to grill on your barbecue outside. But today, when I'm making these, it's cold, so I'm gonna cook them inside on a flat top. There we go, our patties are formed, and that top is nice. Oh, sorry. So we got our flat top nice and hot, and I'm not adding any olive oil to this because we have olive oil in our patties. Look at these lamb sliders. They're all grilled and ready for us to assemble. So I have these potato roll sliders. If you use a different roll like a brioche or something, you probably might want to grill it a little, but these are really soft, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to open these up. Here are the tops, here are our bottoms. And I'm going to use tzatziki, our homemade tzatziki sauce. You're going to click this link so you can see how you can make that recipe. So I have here tzatziki I'm going to put on the bottom. Now I'm going to put burger and the tzatziki. Top that with some feta. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to dig into these. Cover these like that. These look awesome. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.